Good morning. So today I'm going to Genie Spring.
Vamos a ver todo lo que hay. Disimular.
Happy birthday! Baby, atong picture.
On the way na to Genie Spring. Look at my I have a lot of stuff. I'm camping. Alright guys, see you in 2 hours. Biyahe na do. Na. Wala akong makeup. Shoot here. Nag-prepare na sila.
Rich kid yan eh, rich kid.
Ay, Barbie! Where's Ken? Alright. Cheers!
Ano, hindi pa nabuksan.
Oh, buksan mo na. I pay $80, ha? We need to get drunk.
Cheers! Oh, i-keep nyo yan kasi lagyan yan ng ano.
Wag na ka! This is the last. This is the last.
Grilled fish for tonight's dinner. Ayan. Malapit ng maluto. Sarap! Ayan na yung crabs. And this is shrimp.
NPO ka, ba't di ka so?
Mattress, no more mattress. No more mattress to us. Ready? What a candle, ginahan. What a candle! Unlimited sweet.
Tatanggalan na sila ng gizzard. This is life. Piper. Good morning. This is my view from our campsite. It's a fish. So, good morning guys. Good morning. Ayan, we're just waking up na. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Is it 8? So, I'm making sopas. Woohoo! Kisang lamig-lamig dito. Nasa Baguio City kami ngayon. Sarap. Malapit na siyang maluto. Good morning. Ayan na, morning na. She just woke up. And Madam, good morning. She woke up like this. Asa na yung iba? Nag-CR pa rin? Good morning, Jo.
Good morning.
Eating na, sopas. Ayan.
Thank you, madam.
You're welcome. Ayan na, sopas. The view. Yung mga divers. Oh. Ito yung may mga divers. Ayan. Pang YouTube na ulit. Okay guys, it's time to paddle na. Ah! Natakot tuloy ako.
Dito. Sawa din.
Ayan na.
Aya! Tabang na! Ayaw! It's Barbie. Marlene!
Hi guys! Ayan na. So we're here in the private zone.
Ay! Nakasiwang ka talaga sa mga.
Ito ang liwanag dito. Lunch time! Nag-prepare na sila ng lunch. Yan na yung chef, oh, di ba? Yung chef namin today.
Nagabali lang yung finger. Shot mo na bago kumain.
The game is...
Tapos
So, kanain nyo kay klaro naman gid na. So, wala kayo gilog-gilog.
you can go.
No.
Okay.
So,
Okay, babe. Ako yun.
ang
Butang
game...
yapon.
No. Kung, and what, 6 pieces man inyo, 6 items man inyong dala, no? Kung ano ninyo, ibutang diha, unhan na, dili kay para dili na makapili o unsa.
Ay, bakuan ta kang aya. Diyos ko, maglibog ta kang aya. Sino yung maiba?
Sino yung isang
Maiba taya?
Sige,
Maiba.
sino mauna?
Okay, ba? Be! Ready. Go!
Awan na buba. Cheers. Oy, ang big.
Ayaw.
Big set.
Guys, nakapack na kami. Uwian na. Bye guys. Bye.
I'm gonna miss you forever.
See you guys next time for our camping. Stay tuned and please subscribe. Bye.
Bilang ba kayo sa'yo?